Hello everyone, welcome to History class. We'll continue the lesson that we started last week, the First World War. It started in 1914 and ended in 1918. So let's discuss the First World War. Let's discuss the learning objectives of the topic. The learning objectives are to discuss the crisis leading to the outbreak of the war, condition of Europe on the eve of 20th century, Anglo-German rivalry, the British abandonment of splendid isolation, factors leading to the formation of Triple Entente, the crisis in the Balkans or the Balkan Wars, the Austro-Serbian rivalry and Sarajevo murder, July crisis and its consequences, the course of the First World War, and why did the USA join the First World War. In the last session, we had already discussed the crisis leading to the outbreak of war. We had already discussed about condition of Europe on the eve of 20th century, Anglo-German rivalry, the British abandonment of splendid isolation. We had already discussed about the factors leading to the formation of Triple Entente. And in this session, we are going to discuss the crisis in the Balkans, the Balkan Wars, and the Austro-Serbian rivalry and Sarajevo murder, July crisis and its consequences, which became the immediate cause of the First World War. Let's discuss the new terms of the topic. Autocracy, the form of government which does not care for public welfare or dictatorship. Deposed, to remove from office forcefully. Treaty of Bucharest, the treaty signed after the Second Balkan War in 1913. Black Hand, the name of the organization which killed Austrian Prince Archduke Ferdinand and his wife Sophia, and it ultimately became the reason of First World War. And the last term is ultimatum warning. The first topic that we are going to discuss in today's module is the crisis in the Balkan or the Balkan Wars. The first and the foremost problem of Balkan Peninsula after 1878 was the question of Balkan nationalism. Serbia was a small independent national state of Balkan which was formerly a subject country of Ottoman Turkey. Serbia became a champion of nationalism. The Slav community in Serbia had raised a voice in their country to fight against the 7 big powers of the Europe which has exploited them in the past. A good number of Serbs also lived in the Habsburg Empire of Austria. The Slav nationalism led to their agitation for merger with Serbia. The Slav community which was living in Austria also wanted to join with Serbia. So Slav community was fighting to get away from Austria and Habsburg dynasty and come under the rule of Serbia. Austria could neither allow that part of her empire to be joined with Serbia or annex the Slav people outside her empire to destroy the Slav movement. So Austria adopted the second course by signing the Treaty of Berlin. Bosnia, a predominantly Serb-inhabited country, was kept under the Austrian protection. Austria could not stop the Slav community as it could not annex the Serbia outside her empire, so she opted for the second choice. She has controlled over Bosnia, which was a Serb-dominating. So now Austria annexed Bosnia to her empire. Austria had a fear that Russia might oppose her annexation policy. As Russia was a giant country, so Austria was afraid that Russia might attack her. So Austria tried to pacify Russia by a false verbal promise. So treaty was signed between Austria and Russia called as the Treaty of Backlin. As it was only a verbal promise, it was not a written document. So the agreement was never fulfilled by Austria. Austria did not keep to her terms of the Backlin Treaty as there was no written proof of the treaty signed between Austria and Russia. Meanwhile, Young Turk Revolution started in Turkey. There was an organization called as Young Turk which started the wave of nationalism in Turkey. The Turkish army deposed Abdul Hamid II and captured power. Abdul Hamid II was a dictator who was thrown away from his post forcefully by the Turkish army. Italy took the advantage of turmoil within Turkey and seized Tripoli after a brief war with Turkey. Taking advantage of instability, the internal instability in Turkey, Italy took the advantage of this position and had a war with Turkey in which she won Tripoli from Turkey. The fanaticism of young Turks caused a great commotion among the Balkan Christians. The Balkan Christians were dissatisfied with the orthodoxy of the young Turks. The massacre of large number of Armenian Christians at Adana put oil to the fire. The young Turks killed Armenian Christians at Adana, and that created the problem. The Macedonian problem was aggravated by Greece. The Armenian Christians were basically belonged to Macedonia, and this problem was highlighted by Greece in the world. Greece now persuaded Bulgaria, Serbia, and Greece to form a league to resist Turkey. Greece requested some other countries of Balkan region like Bulgaria, Serbia, and Greece itself to form a league, a strong opposition to control Turkey. It was agreed that no member of the league would play any puppet in the hands of great powers like England, France, and Russia. The Balkan League declared a war of liberation of Balkan Christians from the yoke of Turkish slavery. The Balkan League declared that they would work for the freedom of the Balkan Christians from the slavery of the Turkish Empire. In the First Balkan War, the German-trained Turkish army collapsed in every place. So in the First Balkan War, the Turkish army was defeated. The great powers like England, France, Russia, and Germany concluded the Treaty of London 1913 and tried to impose terms and conditions on the member of League. Bulgaria, who was also the member of Balkan League, felt frustrated that her gains were too small compared to her sacrifices in the First Balkan War. Bulgaria thought that she has not got her due in the First Balkan War as her people have sacrificed a lot in the First Balkan War. So Bulgaria broke the Treaty of London and attacked South Macedonia. This led to the outbreak of Second Balkan War. The Second Balkan War was ended by the Treaty of Bucharest in 1913. The Treaty of Bucharest had the following consequences of the results. The Balkan nations for the first time defied the great powers and tried to settle their disputes by themselves. The Balkan nations realized that no strong country, no great powers like England, France, Russia, or Germany were interested in solving their problems. They were taking the Balkan nations for their colonies. They wanted to annex the Balkan countries, and as a result, they understood that they have to solve their problems by themselves. By the Treaty of Bucharest, all the terms of Treaty of London were revised by them except Albanian terms. Albania was a small island near Italy, and according to the Treaty of London, all the members of the Turkish League were supposed to rule over Albania, and now they decided that its sovereignty should be accepted. And no, the third result of Treaty of Bucharest was the Turkish Empire in Europe vanished. It completely ended after the two Balkan Wars. A bitter rivalry was started between Austria and Russia on the Balkan issues. Serbia's relation with Austria became most critical. Serbia's and Austria's relation became more deteriorated, and the reason was the Serbian people. Both wanted that the Serbian people should be merged with them. Serbia demanded restoration of Bosnia and Herzegovina from Austria. Bosnia and Herzegovina were two small states which was under Austria, but where Slav people were in majority. Because it was dominated by the Serbs, so Serbia wanted those places back from Austria, and this was a reason of enmity between Austria and Serbia. Thus, the Balkan became the reason of the First World War. The second topic that we are going to discuss in this module is the Austrian-Serbian rivalry and Sarajevo murder, July crisis and its consequences. Austrian annexation of Bosnia and Herzegovina, predominantly inhabited by Serbs, injured Serbian nationalism. This we had already discussed, that Herzegovina and Bosnia were under the control of Austria, but great number of Serbians were living there. Those Serbians wanted to merge themselves with Serbia, and this was a reason of problem between Austria and Serbia. Tension between the two countries mounted up now and then. There had been never a time when the relation between both the countries was sound. They always had a conflict because of Herzegovina and Bosnia, and also due to the Balkan issue. The problem between Austria and Serbia reached to such a height that terrorist organizations were formed to assassinate the Austrian leaders, to terrorize them to get back Bosnia as well as Herzegovina. Several attempts were made on the life of Austrian Crown Prince Ferdinand. So many terrorist organizations were there in Serbia who wanted to kill the Austrian king and get back Herzegovina and Bosnia from Austria. Finally, on 28 June 1914, Austrian Crown Prince Ferdinand and his wife Sofia were assassinated by a Bosnian Serb named Princip. It is known as Sarajevo murder in history. This was organized by an organization called the Union of Death. There were many strong states in Europe like Austria-Hungary, France, Italy, Germany, Great Britain, and a giant Russia. Along with the strong states, some small states like Serbia, Bulgaria, and Armenia were also there, which consisted of the Balkan states. These Balkan states were struggling with each other. This incident is of Sarajevo, the capital of Bosnia, where the Serbs wanted that they should be merged with Serbia. Many terrorist organizations were made in Serbia to kill the leaders of Austria, and especially Archduke Ferdinand. On Sunday, 28 June 1914, Archduke Ferdinand with his wife Sofia visited Sarajevo, the capital of Bosnia, to check the condition of the army. Here, the Black Hand or the Union of Death had made a plan to assassinate Archduke Ferdinand with his wife Sofia. From this organization, the revolutionary was Princip. Princip was ready to kill the Archduke Ferdinand to take the revenge of the capture of Bosnia and Herzegovina by Austria. The killing of Archduke Ferdinand and his wife became the immediate cause of the First World War and led the road to such incident that changed the course of world history. This murder was planned by an organization called Black Hand, or we had already discussed. The other name of the organization was the Union of Death. German Kaiser insisted that Austria should send a bound ultimatum to Serbia. Kaiser William II backed Austria that they should give warning to Serbia and they should give a time limit to accept the conditions of Austria. If ultimatum failed, it means that Austria would declare a war against Serbia. So it was Kaiser William II who instigated Austria against Serbia. Austria sent on 23 July 1914 an ultimatum to Serbia on 48 hours' notice. On the advice of Kaiser William II, Austria sent a warning to Serbia and the time limit was given 48 hours. That means within 48 hours, Austria wanted an answer from Serbia. The Serbian government agreed to fulfill some of the demands, but prayed for more time to consider some other demands of the ultimatum. Germany and her partner Austria were not ready to give any time. It was Kaiser William II policy. He asked Austria not to give any time to Serbia to reconsider the ultimatum. Austria declared war on Serbia. Russia started mobilization to support Serbia. So Russia started mobilizing her troops in order to support Serbia, and in reply Germany started counter mobilization. Germany also starting the preparation for war, and here Germany was supporting
German
Austria,
army
whereas
attacked Belgium
Serbia
and France
was
on the
backed
Western
by
Front.
Russia.
England tried to keep this matter as a local affair, but Germany attacked on Belgium, and Belgium was a protectorate state of England. That means there was an agreement signed between Belgium and England that in every crisis, in case of any invasion, England would defend Belgium. Since Kaiser William II had attacked on Belgium, so England has to enter in this war. Similarly, Germany also attacked on France, so France had also to be involved in it. France, Belgium, and England mobilized their armies against Germany. Thus, the Great War of 1914 began out of a crisis in Balkan.
These are the questions we have covered in today's module. Discuss the circumstances that led to the signing of Treaty of London 1913. Discuss the consequences of the two Balkan Wars of 1912 and 1913. What were the main causes of rivalry between Austria and Serbia, and how did Sarajevo murder help to start the First World War? If you want to explore more, on your screen you can see the YouTube link and you can search. I hope you have understood till here. With the help of this explanation and internet, you are advised to make the notes of the above topic. We'll meet you in the next schedule, next meeting. Till then, have a nice day.